Hey guys, just a quick heads up before we get started with this video. There's a free downloadable toolkit in the description below that I'll cover today in this video that you can follow along and then use it right away with your students, or you can watch the video first and grab it later. So let's get started. Are you new or maybe not so new to teaching English learners, especially newcomers, in core content classes? Are you a co-teacher, or perhaps you have an instructional aid that you can send to those core content classes to support English learners, but you kind of don't know where to get started? Don't worry. In this video, I will help you how to get started and I'll walk you through it. My resource, that's the free downloadable toolkit in the description, and how you can get started with your English learners. Starting with the right foundational vocabulary and practical strategies is going to be key when you work with your English learners. So, where do you get started? What do you teach first? How do you work with your co-teachers or with your instructional aides? So, for me, the starting points are some key verbs in each class, including a newcomer class, which will be a bonus included in this toolkit, because the verbs are so foundational. Classes don't work without verbs, so when a teacher talks to you or when you read instructions in a book, these instructions are actions. They're going to be the verbs that will tell you what to do. And if you don't understand these verbs, you might have all these classes on vocabulary words. You still might get a little lost because you don't know what's expected of you. You don't know the key verbs. In this video, I will share these verbs with you briefly, and I will have another video in which you can share with students with the explanation of the videos and the pictures and the word on the screen. And then I will show you I will walk you through how to use this free downloadable toolkit that follows the same format of all my other resources available on Teachers Pay Teachers. Let's get started. So the vocabulary units are made for secondary students and young adults. They are age appropriate with lots of scaffolds. What's included? Anchor charts, reading, writing, and speaking practice, and the final check. So step 1 of using this resource is to introduce the vocabulary words in the anchor charts. Then you can have students pair up and practice saying the words to each other. You can also show the video that I will publish later on in this channel. Another way to practice is to point at random pictures and have students say those words. After that comes the reading practice at word level. The goal here is to not have them have those words memorized at this point, but it's the multiple exposures. So this is the second time they'll be associating those words with those pictures, and that's intentional. Then I want them to be one more time exposed and practicing the words, but this time in writing. So they will try to write from memory, or I allow them to consult the anchor chart, and then they have to write the part of speech and the translation using an online dictionary. Then it's time for speaking. Students will complete gaps using the vocabulary, and notice that this time there is not a picture support other than the word bank at the bottom. Some of my packets have a word bank to help in this moment, and some do not. I felt for this one it was necessary. The last step in this toolkit is a final check. This final check has two parts. The first one is a sorting, in which they can go back to the anchor chart and revisit, which again, multiple exposures. And the second part, they have to complete a text in which there are gaps and they have pictures. But at this moment, I do not allow them to use the anchor chart because I'm trying to see how much from memory at this point they achieved. And that's it. Now I'm gonna put on the screen all the verbs that are included in this toolkit, but again, you can just check it out by downloading it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.